Hi, I'm Mary Beth. I had the experience of needing to buy this ramp because my 86-year-old mother began to have failing health, and she had to move in with me and go to a lot of doctor's appointments. And so I rented a 8-foot ramp, which wasn't correct, and it was very steep, and it was very difficult to get her up and down this ramp. She's anxious to get outside for spring, and I wanted to get her a ramp that she could get up and down easily herself and have freedom to come and go as she wants. And I looked around online at different options and found the National Ramp Company, and they had a very good website that was user-friendly, and I called for a quote and spoke to Max. He was just so very nice and responsive, and put me in touch with the installer in the New England area where I live. Came right out and did measurements and looked at all my doorways, and I wasn't quite ready for a few months, but then as soon as I called, they were both responsive and ready to go. And here they are today, finally putting it up, just in time for spring, for my mom to get out and plant her flowers. I feel very happy and very grateful to the National Ramp Company for being so easy to deal with and so friendly to me and so responsive. And really, you'll give my mom back her freedom to come and go as she wants, and as a result, my freedom too, because I won't have to be there to help her quite so much.